Hello there, welcome. Today we are making BOFROT. About 2 cups of water, add in about 1/4 cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of active yeast, and grate some nutmeg, and then add the liquid to the dry ingredients. It's about 2.5 cups of flour, but do the 2 cups first, and then later on add the half a cup if you need it. This is the texture you want, and you leave it alone. Now is the gluten's turn, so you just leave it out till it doubles in about an hour or less. The more you let it sit out, the better. Gives you a nice flavor. It's ready. Look at that. Gorgeous. Just drop them in there. You can use your fingers to size them. You can use a spoon if you want. You can use ice cream scoop. Don't crowd the pot. If you crowd the pot, you're not going to get the correct temperature. You want it to cook evenly and properly. Time to get them out. Look at that golden brown. Beautiful. That's what you want. All right. Look at that. You can eat it different ways. You can eat it tossed in cinnamon sugar, or you can have it with a little bit of whipped cream. Delicious. Or you can just eat it plain. That's fine too. Yum. Yum. Mm-mm-mm.